Ryan Little.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's sponsor is Fornco. So right now, I'm just doing a simple makeup using the products that they sent me. By the way, these are fresh from Korea, and if you want to see my reviews about them, then just follow me on my Instagram account and check my IG post. And of course, you can also be friends there if you want. As you can see, I am doing my contour, and this is my first time doing it, and I don't think I'm really doing it well, but at least I tried. And now I'm blending it, but I think I did not blend it well too. Now I will be using this Quad Cosmetics Quadlat in Sassy for my eyeshadow. I will also be using the same palette as blush for my cheeks. This is the package from Fornco, so they sent me one lip product and one eye product, and I swear the quality is really good. I will be using their Tattoo All Proof Mascara for my lashes, and what I love about this is it's match proof, waterproof, and really long lasting. For my lips, I will be using their Lip Tattoo Clear Velvet Tint Pale Tint in the shade Pita Pat. It's creamy, it dries into a soft matte finish, highly pigmented, and has a fruity scent. Last but not the least is filling up my eyebrows, and we're done!
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Without you. Missing someone.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.